Welcome to VertisFlow. This video will show you a brief overview of what you can do with VertisFlow. Let's start on the home page. The home page has different sections with different features. For example, you can have a company board here where you can share information, announcements, links, and other news. Workflows can be published here and can be distributed across different departments so that users will only find processes and tasks that are relevant to them. This section can either be a document calendar, a task calendar, or a ticketing management view. The goal is to customize your homepage to make it easy and simple for your users. On the left, you'll see what we call our out-of-the-box apps. First, our full messaging system. You can connect your inbox, whether it's Office 365, Gmail, or anything else. This will allow all the emails or messages that you've created here to be automatically synced with your Office 365 or any other system that you have. We also have a full document management system. It's similar to Dropbox, but free as a part of VertisFlow. You can drag and drop your document here, and then link it with a customer, a project, or add tags to organize them. For each document, you can upload different versions, view a backlog if any changes were made, see by whom, and can also link them to certain departments. Next is a contact section, listing internal and external users. It's also designed as a full HR out-of-the-box app. With each user, you can customize things like roles in financial department, device assignments, and HR documents. All fields can be quickly customized and secured so that only those authorized can view them. External contacts are usually suppliers, partners, etc. Next is a full project management tool that includes project creation, modeling, and tasks. You can assign and create new tasks from scratch or a template. This gives a nice overview of what is happening from a tasks and activities perspective. You can view these as a Gantt or a Kanban where you can move assignments from one step to another. The core of VertisFlow, though, is the workflow engine. There are other videos specifically dedicated to this, so we won't focus on it for too long here. You can see everything from a case management or process automation perspective. It shows my workflows or the things that are assigned to me. I can see what's partially completed and pick back up from here. These are processes that you will have built from scratch or used one of our templates to create in the Workflows Builder. We have over 60 templates to choose from, or you can design your own. Here you can see all the workflows and forms you have. You can customize them with different fields, embed them in your website, publish as a public page, or simply share among departments and users. We also have a full ticketing management system that can be used across departments to simplify things. Any request made can be quickly categorized as a new ticket. You can use the ITL framework or can customize the titles and statuses as you'd like. And finally, the PTO or pay time off section. Here you can request time off, report an absence, or request a business trip. Time reports can also be managed from here. Additionally, we have a new feature, a Datamapper that will allow you to integrate all your applications or databases with VertisFlow through an API. And there's your brief overview of VertisFlow.